cards, PAN cards, and ration cards can get you welfare services in India, but they are not acceptable proof of citizenship any longer. A senior Delhi police official has told Hindustan Times that they will now accept only voter ID cards and passports as proof of citizenship from people who are suspected of being foreign nationals and living illegally in the capital. Of course, birth certificates and domicile certificates, if you have them, are also acceptable proof of citizenship. The decision was made by the centre after many illegal foreign nationals produced Aadhaar, Ration and PAN cards during verification drives in the capital. This had started last October. So while Aadhaar continues to be a proof of identity and residence, it's not valid for citizenship. The same applies for PAN and ration cards. PAN cards serve tax purposes and ration cards are used for food distribution. Neither of these confirms citizenship. The official, requesting anonymity, said that during our verification drives, we found that illegal migrants had acquired Aadhaar, Ration and PAN cards and they were using them to falsely claim Indian citizenship. Some also possessed UNHCR cards issued to Rohingya refugees. As a result, voter ID cards and passports have been made mandatory to establish Indian citizenship. All Deputy Commissioners of Police in Delhi have been asked to closely monitor the activities of suspicious people in their districts. The official says that our drive against illegal immigrants will continue till the last of them will be deported to their countries. As UNHCR refugee status without valid travel documents is of no consequence in India, any such foreign national is liable to be deported. If needed, we will liaise with intelligence agencies to deport them. Also, this comes as visas of Pakistan nationals have been revoked in wake of a recent directive by the centre after the terrorist attack on tourists in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir, which claimed 26 lives. The officers of the Delhi Police and Intelligence Bureau have been asked to collect information about Pakistani nationals living in Delhi and ask them to leave India at the earliest. Long-term visas already granted to Hindu Pakistani nationals will remain valid. So do ensure you keep relevant documents handy as an Indian citizen to avoid any unwanted run-ins with the law enforcement agencies. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.